Hola, mi nombre es Wences, aka walmazan. I hope you enjoy my process. Sorry for my English, I don't speak very well, so bear with me. The first thing is I have this little sketch. I'm just scan and I'm going to convert in lines. In this case, I'm going to use image adjustment. I don't know if this is I'm saying correctly, but I'm going to try to show you. And threshold. I'm usually use this because this is very convenient and works very well for me. So I'm recommended. After that, I'm going to try to clean my draw very fast. Oopsie. Just a little bit because I like how it looks now. So just a little bit. And when it's done, I clean. I have another one who I cleaned previously because I don't want to mess with your time. Don't save. I have this. This is more clean and ready for use. After that, I'm going to open my template for good. In this case, I'm going to choose the asphalt color and I'm going to put my designs there. Right now I'm cleaning and separating two layers. One layer is with the tubes and the other have the faces. So I'm going to put right there. Okay, it's here and look nice and the size is perfect. So I'm going to show only the tubes right now. And the first thing is I'm going to coloring the tubes. In this case, I have one layer. I'm look the layer because everything is transparent. I want to fill the color there. And I'm going to choose the color. I know what I want. I want this one gray. I'm always working with Pantones. It's more easy. So right now I fill my layer with the tubes. Okay, what is next? I'm going to select the, I'm going to choose continuous, or no, I don't know how to say. And I'm going to select every single part of the tube because I'm going to fill this little tubes. And in this case, I'm going to select, modify, contract. 3 pixels, yeah. Oh, no, it's too much. Select, modify, contract, 25. Yeah, I think works nice. Oh no, I think it's too much. Select, modify, contract, 20. Okay, I think that looks good. Now I'm going to select another color. In this case, I'm going to choose the blue one, 298. Okay, that's going to be my color. And I'm going to fill in a new layer. Yeah, it looks nice. So now I'm going to select the eraser. Okay. I'm use pencil because I need to hard cleaning. Hard cleaning. Sorry for my English. I speak Spanish very, very well. You need to try. I hope you understand a little bit. Maybe I need to speak in Spanish and then will be easy for me and I don't know for you, but I'm going to feel very comfortable. Right now I am cleaning a little bit. I am like a take off some of the poison. in my tubes. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, I like. Okay, another. Excellent. Other one, and this going to be less, a little more, and less. I don't know, I think it looks nice. Okay, I have it. Okay, looks nice. Now I'm going to put these little lines who I'm leave here separately because I'm going to try to put in all the tubes, so I'm going to duplicate the lines. Okay, that is fast. Ta-da! I try to show a little bit what is my process. Maybe you have a better process, but I think it's nice. Share. To love is to share. I told you I am from Mexico, and my Spanish is so good, and I make some enchiladas who are like delicious. Okay, I think it's okay. I'm going to select again the layer who have the color, and I'm going to try to put different colors for and then I'm going to try to use like a gradients and separate the color, and I think that is the most important part of the process. I'm going to select all the part who I want to be yellow and put the color. Oops, I need to lock the layer, put the color, and then the magenta, who I'm choose the color 232. Okay, I'm done. I'm going to use these colors because they are cool. No, because if I'm use the magenta, the yellow, and the blue process going to be very bright, and I want to make this more matte, not too shy, not too bright, sorry. Okay, I have this, and I think that is excellent. Now I'm going to make the different colors. You're going to say, well, they are talking about that, but maybe you are see the final work and you understand me. Okay, next I'm going to duplicate all my template, because I'm going to use this for make my gradients and then my halftone. Okay, I'm going to make the background white, and the rest of the tubes I'm going to make black. Okay, and now going to be the tricky part. I'm going to use the gradient, in this case regular gradient, for and just like this. Okay, I'm white to black. Looks nice, but something happened. I don't know why. That is weird. Okay. I know what happened. I have select other kind of gradient. I'm going to use the regular gradient, and I'm going to put in a new layer. Okay. I think that's the thing what I want to do. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, I don't know. Now I'm going to convert this first in grayscale. I'm going to merge all the layers, and then I'm going to go a little bit this, make more fast the process, and I'm going to select again image mode and bitmap. This is the tricky part. Flatten layers, yeah, why not? Bitmap, I'm going to choose the same output, 300 pixels. Method use halftone screen, and in the frequency I'm going to put 25. The angle is good and the shape line. Okay. Yeah, look at very hard and nice lines. You see, you can print this very well and looks nice. Yeah. I'm going to convert grayscale again. I'm going to make the layer. I'm going to make a layer here, and I'm going to select all the white, and I'm going to take off. Okay, I have my halftones ready. I'm going to oops, I hope it works, because I'm just put the other in the trash. Oh, okay, looks nice. I'm going to put exactly in the same position than the other one. You see how hard look? They're going to print very nice, but now it looks hard. Don't worry. Okay, looks so nice. I'm going to look this layer, and I'm going to make the same conversion of the color. Just this part I'm going to fill with the yellow color. Tick. Yeah. The next, I'm going to fill, I don't know, what is the next combination? I think magenta. Yeah. And the third one, I think is blue, no? What do you think? Yeah, I think it's blue. Excellent. You see how nice it looks? Okay. Check these gradients. Looks nice. Very printable. I don't know how to say. But, ooh, I have a little dots here. Yeah, I'm going to unlock my layer and clean my dust. Looks nice, no? Yeah. Good job. Now, I don't know how do you do this. This is my way, and I hope works. Okay, now I need to bring my face. My little faces, happy faces. Okay. I'm going to select all the black shape, and I'm going to fill with the background color. The same with the white. I'm going to convert in the gray. Can you believe I'm finished? Huh. Yeah, you see, I think here I'm going to, oops. Yeah, looks nice. Perfect. For me, I don't know for you. Yeah, I like this face. Looks so silly. Okay. I think I finished. Yeah, I finished. So, but I still need to separate the colors. I am using 4 colors. Right now, I am all are, yeah, in different layers, but still I need to separate this color. So I think the best way for do that is I'm going to merge all these layers, yeah, in one big layer, and I'm going to try to separate all the layers and put the color, the Pantone color in each layer. Looks, I'm going to select first the gray one. Choose the color, check my color in my color library. Yeah, warm gray 2. So I'm going to create new layer and fill the color. Warm gray 2. Okay. I have the first. The next one going to be the blue. Oops, I'm select my composition again. My layer will have the rest of the work, okay? And now I am select the blue one. Create a new layer. I'm check the color. 298. 298. Y ahora voy a hacer lo mismo, pero con el amarillo. Chequen esto, muchachos. Oops, I think I am speaking Spanish. Okay, yellow. I'm select yellow. I'm fill a new layer with the yellow color. Check the color. 107. Now I think the only one is the magenta. Yes, I'm select the magenta. You see, select around all. Put the magenta, and I think it's finished. Yeah, let me check. My layer who have all the colors, I'm going to put this in the trash, and I have the warm gray, the blue, the yellow, and the magenta. I'm finished. That is ready, baby. Okay, muchachos, creo que me quedó un poco de tiempo. I hope you like this little tutorial, and I think that is the end. The only thing I need to do is putting in the little template, but I think it looks nice. What do you think? I don't know. Take care, guys, and see you to the next one. Bye-bye. I'm just kidding. I'm still here. Okay. How I'm turn off this little thing? Okay. Bye.